There's a little man in La Cienega, answers to the name of Senor Vienega. Makes a living from fruit he sells. Up and down the thoroughfare he walks and yells. Avocado, avo, avo, avocado. When you stop and say to him, how are tricks? Or discuss a smattering of politics. If you seek a reply astute, he will answer you and quote his favorite fruit. Avocado, avocado, greenish health and avocado. Senor Vienega is a thrifty man, got his little family on the 5-year plan. He has children of varied size. When you want to know their names, then he replies. Avocado, 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 avocado. Mucho huevo, huevo, hasta la vista, avocado. Avocado. There's a little driving across the way where he has a standing order every day. It's the dish Californians praise. Always find it hiding neath the mayonnaise. Avocado. A la casanda avocado. A la caseta hate. A la Pasquale Casando Loan Company avocado. When a senorita comes passing by, Senor Vienega becomes extremely shy. He forgets that there's cash in it, and his tone is often somewhat passionate. Avocado, avocado, avocado. 5 centavos, amigo. Play again, please.